Welcome to Web Authoring tutorial. I'll be explaining you with the 2007 specimen task paper which deals with the web authoring part. This is the last bit in our practical component which is remaining, and this tutorial will guide you step by step solving about the web authoring bit. As you're aware of that most of your task papers ask you to download the files from the website, or else they will be provided on your desktop as support files for exam paper. I'm assuming that you know how to download the file. You will be asked to go to Hothouse Design website and download the files. So make sure that you download the files which are specified over there and save them in one folder, which I have already done over here. That's specimen 2007. Whatever file I need, all the files are saved over here: specimen 1, specimen 2, 3, and few image files. For web authoring, we use a free and open source software provided by Microsoft, which is called as SharePoint Designer. If you do not have it on your computer, please download it from the Microsoft website, Microsoft Office SharePoint Designer 2007. This is how the screen looks like. It's divided into folder list and different other things. As required in any other task papers, before we go on to this particular part, starting solving it, we need to do initial bits. That means you need to go onto File and click on New and click on Website. And over here, give a name. If you're solving 2007, given specimen 2007, so just type in, delete the one and write in specimen 2007 and click on OK. Okay, I already have a specimen 2007 and I'll give it 2007-1 and I'll just click on 2007-1. You'll get a screen like this one where you have a default.html which is already created over here, and the screen looks something like this. After this, what you need to do is to copy and paste all the files which are there, which we placed in the support files. So go on to your folder, select all the files, copy them, go back to your SharePoint, go under the folder list and paste the files. You'll see the whole list of files over here which has been pasted. After you're done with these, the next thing which is required is you need to go to File and create a new style sheet. A style sheet is the one where you'll be putting up all the settings required for your home page or other sub pages. Style sheet in short is similar like your master slide, which gives in the consistent formatting for the document. So click over here in the new and you'll have all the options. So you can choose a style sheet from here, or you can simply create another one through a web page. So click on the style sheet. You have untitled one.style sheet. You can click on save and name it as style. Okay, make sure that you save it as a CSS file over here so that it saves as a proper style sheet. The first step is done. You're done with the style.css. Now let's come to this part. The first part was asking you to download. You have downloaded the files. Now come to this part, which is step 24. It asks you to do some of the settings required for your creating your web pages. This is a tedious task because you have to do the same thing for each and every header and list and paragraph which is mentioned over here. So reading, it says, using a suitable software package, prepare the following styles for use within all pages on this website. For this, you need to click on New Style, which will be under your Apply Style. So click on New Style, you get a dialog box like this one. Selector, define categories and different stuff like font family, font size over here. Now look over here, it says H1. Delete, type H1. What that's H1 stands for header 1. What does it say? Dark blue. Go on to color. You'll find different blues over here. Choosing the one which is a darker shade, which is, you can take a navy blue, or you can go on to the more colors and choose the one which is the darkest. Do not choose the one which is ending with FF, because that is a simple blue, not darker blue. So take the dark blue. The next thing which it says is sans serif font. Click here. Choose a sans serif font under font family. It is 36, font size is 36 points. If you see over here, it says PX. So choose point. Center aligned. You don't see the alignment over here. It's a font weight, it's font style, font variant. Can't find the font alignment. Go on to block and choose the alignment as center. And it says bold. Go back again to font and choose font weight as bold. You'll see a preview over here. Click on OK. Go back again to style sheet, new style. We have to do the same process for H2. Delete this, type H2 over here. Font family, the color is supposed to be green. Choose a green color. It says serif font. Choose a serif font. It says to be bold. Go to the block. Shall we get a block bold over here? No. Go back again to over here. Choose bold. It says 14 points. Choose 14 point. Left aligned. Go on to block. Alignment as left. Click on OK. H1, H2 done. Click on to new style. We have to repeat this process for all. So now the next thing which comes up is H3. Click on H3. Select the color as blue. Now you take this blue which is ending with an FF. Okay, now click over here which is like blue, sans serif. Choose sans serif font over here. It says 12 point. Choose point. And left align. Go on to block. Text align as left. Click on OK. H1, H2, H3 done. We need to do two more, LI and P. Click on new style again. LI. Choose the color as blue. It says sans serif font. 10 point. Sans serif font 10 point. Bullet points. LI is your list where it says bullet points. As soon as you write in LI, it understands that it is a list, but to be on the safer side, you click on list and choose the list from the list style. Choose just one. I'm taking disk right now. You can take any other as well. And then it says left align. Go on to block. Choose the alignment as left and click on OK. And the last bit which says P, click on new style. Type P. It says black. Choose black. It says sans serif font. Choose a sans serif font. It says 10 point. Write in 10. Select PT, that is point, and it says left align. Go to block, text alignment, left. Click on OK. So you will see now H1, H2, H3, LI and P. All the things are done now. So we are done with this particular bit which says that the settings are required. Now read this over here. Save the style sheet and attach it to each web page as you create it. Right click, save. We're done with the saving the style sheet, and now it says attach it to each web page. You will find that there are specimen2.htm, specimen3.htm. Okay, there's a default page.htm. So we need to attach it to the different files. How will we do that? Below new style, you'll see attach style sheet. Click on Attach Style Sheet. Select all HTML pages. Click on Browse. Select style.css. Click on Open. Link or import anything you can choose. Click on OK. You'll get a message, 3 of 3 files updated. Click on Close. We are done with the first part, that is step 23, which takes most of your time in setting up with your web page. Let's come to step 26. It says print a copy of the style sheet that has to be attached to each page as HTML source code. This entire thing which you see the tags over here, this is called as your HTML code. Make sure that your name, center number and candidate number are printed on this page. How will you do that? One way is you take screenshots, paste in Word, type it header and footer and take a print, or else go on to File, okay, and you see the print, choose Page Setup. You can see my name already over there. So in the header, write in your name, Almas, and what your center number, put a comma and your candidate number, and click on OK. It's set. Now go on to File, Print preview your document. You'll find that the header is there, all the codes are there, and print using the printer given to you. And you're done with step 24 and 25. That's the first part. I'll take a break and I'll come back from step 26.